So this is foam roller for the hip, hamstring, and calf. Pretty much anything in the lower extremity we can hit with the foam roller. I like foam rollers for anything on the back of the leg. For the front of the leg, there's other tools we can use to get into it, but for foam roller, this is perfect. So what Caitlin's gonna do, she's sitting here on a 2-footer foam roller, and she's gonna work on this right side. So she's getting into that hip, down into that hamstring. I'm gonna have you roll back this way. So she's catching the out of that hamstring, and as she rolls up, she can kind of reach forward with this leg, reach over, and we're gonna go into the front of that hip. So we're gonna hit that glute medius, we're gonna hit that TFL right up in here. So any runners with tightness, post-run, workout, tightness, stuff like that, this is a good cool down to break up all that tissue. All right, now sit back on this side, and let's roll up. Let's do the back of the thigh. She's gonna roll back up, and she can play with the angle of her foot. She can roll it in to catch the inside of those hamstrings. She can go square, she can roll it on the outside and catch that outer biceps femoris. And then she can just sit on the mat, and we're gonna roll the foam roller down. And for the calf, you can get it right there in the bulk of that tissue. You can double up the leg to add more pressure to that and just roll it back and forth. Now she can add a little bit more tension by dorsiflexing and plantar flexing her ankle and adding a little bit less tension through there. And then we're just gonna walk it down, find another spot, and get after it. So for each leg, it should take only 5 to 7 minutes, but you wanna hit most of the hips, the hamstrings, the calf, and then up here in this front pocket right there.